All right, guys, you've been doing great on these how did I like this questions, so let's do another one. This is a Stella. So got a lot of good answers on this one. Effectively, this is two lights. There's two data lights. One is pointing kind of off on the right-hand side of the image, hitting the wall. You can see it's very bright over there. And that's making the wall the source, which when you do that, it becomes a soft source because it's bigger, right? And we can see there's a soft shadow going across the top of the frame. But if you look at the bottom of the frame, you see a second shadow, and that shadow is hard. There's a second data light with barn doors that's actually kind of cutting across her body, starting at basically her hand, her left hand, the hand on the camera right, and it cuts down to her leg there, reflecting off kind of the silvery pants she has on. And you can see the giveaway for that light is that there is a hard shadow, so different type of shadow, in the lower left side of the frame. So soft shadow at the top, hard shadow at the bottom, combined to create this image.